Hello, today I want to show you how to link parameters. Let's get right to it. The first thing I'll do is assign names to the block parameter. We click on the block, and on the details, we see that we have P1 equals 100. So that's the length. I'm going to rename it to L. Next one, I'm going to rename it to width, W. And the next one is going to be the height. So let's get the holes lined up in the middle of the cover. Select the sketch, second mouse button, and show dimensions. Now we see that this 35mm is the one we need to change. So let's select the sketch again, and we need that to be in the middle. So click one more time, and we're going to go width divided by 2. Now let's change the other hole as well, but we'll do it in a different method. We'll double click on the sketch, and it brings us inside the sketch. So let's select the P7 dimension. Let's select the down arrow, and we'll go to references. Then we'll go feature parameters. Now we'll select the block, and we see that we can find the width right here. Hit OK. Now, can't modify this yet. We have to go to formulas and divide that by 2. Close. Now finish the sketch, and the whole location is updated. Refresh to clean the dimensions on the screen. Here we go. So the reason to link the dimensions is so that every time I change the width of the block to something else, the holes would always be in the center, as you see here. Let's link more dimensions. I want to make these 2 holes the same diameter. We'll do this with the expressions windows. So you go to tools, click on expressions. I want to make hole 5 the same as hole 3. So I'm going to select hole 3, look for the diameter dimension, and I see that it's P56. So I'll remember that, and then click on hole 4. Look for the diameter in hole 4 and select the formula. So P56. So now there will be the same diameter. There you go. Now every time I change the dimension of hole number 3, hole number 4 should always be the same. Now let's evenly position those holes across the length of the cover. So we'll select the sketch, show dimensions, select the 20mm, and we'll change this to the length divided by 3. Then we'll change the 70mm to the length times 2 divided by 3. And then we hit OK. Now the holes are positioned evenly on the cover. We can refresh the part to get rid of the dimensions. Then we're done. Linking dimensions is a powerful way to add dimensional properties to the part. Thank you for watching. Questions and comments are welcome.